Are you interested in boosting your Telegram experience by purchasing Telegram stars, but don't have a Mastercard or simply want a better deal? Today, I'll show you exactly how to buy Telegram stars without needing a Mastercard, using the special at Premium Bot via the Telegram desktop app. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to get your stars using flexible local payment options, often at discounted prices compared to buying through mobile app stores. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to make sure you're using the correct version of the Telegram desktop app. This is really important. You should download Telegram's desktop application directly from their official website, not from places like the Microsoft Store or the Mac App Store. Why? The version from the Telegram website unlocks certain features, and most importantly for us, it supports paying for stars through the Premium Bot. The App Store versions often have limitations and sometimes come with higher prices due to platform fees. Think of it as buying directly from a shop instead of a reseller. Once you've installed and opened the Telegram desktop app, our next move is to reach out to the Premium Bot. The easiest way is to simply type @Premium Bot into Telegram search bar. Open a chat with the bot and you'll see the options pop up. Don't worry if you've never used Telegram bots before, they're designed to be user-friendly and will guide you step by step, almost like chatting with a helpful assistant. To begin your purchase, look for the menu button or you can type stars in the chat. This will bring up the option to buy Telegram stars. Take your time with this step. Sometimes the bot takes a moment to load the current packages and prices, especially if it's checking for discounts or regional offers. If you don't see the options right away, just be patient. It's working behind the scenes. Next, select the package that suits your needs. The bot usually provides a range of choices, from smaller bundles to larger ones if you're hoping to stock up or use stars for multiple purposes. As you make your selection, the bot will display the price, and this is where the magic happens. Because you're buying directly through Telegram desktop in the bot, you'll often notice the prices are lower compared to what's available in mobile app stores. Here's a little tip. These savings come from skipping the extra fees that Apple and Google normally charge on in-app purchases. Now you'll enter the payment phase. Unlike the mobile stores, which mainly push you toward using credit cards or mobile payment methods, the Premium Bot supports a variety of local third-party payment processors. Depending on where you live, you may find options like PayPal, online banking, or even direct debit. This flexibility is a huge help, especially if you don't have a Mastercard or just prefer paying through familiar local services. Just follow the bot's prompts. It'll walk you through selecting the payment provider and finalizing your purchase. If you're ever unsure, look for explanations in the chat or tap help for extra guidance. And that's it. Once your payment goes through, Telegram stars will appear in your account, ready for gifting, boosting, or whatever creative uses you have in mind. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps the channel. Feel free to leave any questions or share your experience in the comments, and subscribe for more straightforward Telegram tips and tutorials. Thanks so much for watching. Happy chatting and enjoy those stars.